Welcome to Ecom Ranks. I have built a complete AI jewelry Shopify store without using any other paid tool or without using any paid AI app. What I have did is I have used completely free tools, a Shopify Sidekick, which is recently launched by Shopify to build a website like this one that I have built. I have just prompt the Sidekick and it has built a really nice website. The banner, the featured collection section, the slideshow section, the header, the logos part, and if I scroll down to the bottom, the section above the footer, and this footer with newsletter is really nice. So follow me along to the end part of the video to get to know how all this website has been created without using any design instructions or without using any of the coding skills. So one advanced thing that I will let you know that how are you able to build websites like this one. This is more advanced jewelry website. I will also guide you how are you able to build these type of jewelry websites using a little bit of code, but that only using the AI. You don't have to write single line of code. You just have to follow the method which I am going to tell you how you are able to build websites similar to these ones. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let me move to the Shopify admin. First thing first, we are have to move to the home section. Reload. Let me reload it. Okay, once it's get reload, there is an option for Shopify Sidekick. So I am considering that you have already signed up for the Shopify. If you have not signed up for the Shopify, you have to go to the video description. I will leave its link in the description. You have to click on it and it will open this hey, website, Shopify website, and by entering your email over here you will get 3-month free trial. So do not forget to use that link, and then let's start the video. Okay, so we are here on the home page. Once you signed up, you have to fill some of your information like what would be your store name or what are your details, etc. Then you will be at this page. So once you are at this page, what you have to do, you have to add your products. So simply type that add my jewelry products. So here are the details. Okay, so the first product might be your diamond jewelry ring. Its price is its description that you want to enter and its SKU number if you have it. And similarly give by clicking on this plus icon you are able to add an image from your device like the diamond jewelry ring. If you have an image, simply click on this, it will pop up the window and you have to simply select the file and upload it, and just tell the sidekick that you have to attach that image to this product. So it would be good if you add it one by one. So once your products added, I have already added product using a sidekick. I have listed 10 products bulk using a bulk method. So you can also add all these products. Let me delete this example products. Okay, so once the products added, what you have to do, you have to add the collections. So these are the collections. Click on it, collections. You see, you are able to add collection from here. I have added it using a Sidekick Shopify. Okay, create 4 collections and add my products in it. Okay, so once I hit this button, it will start creating the collection and will add products within it. Okay, so once your products and collection has been added, you have to go to this online store part and then you have to click on this themes. Once page once page get reload, you have to scroll down. You have to be here on this part like design your store in seconds. So it will give you 3 suggestions. So with before you give the prompt, what you have to do is I will let you know the easy method. which is a GPT method. What you have to do, you have to first uh, give prompt to GPT, like give me a prompt for Shopify Sidekick. My store name is Luxury Jewelry. My brand colors are, these are my brand colors. Keep the prompt short. Okay, if you don't have your brand colors, you can select it from this website. These websites have a lot of brand colors, so that you can just copy this color that suits your jewelry brand. So these are already well established brand which have spent a lot of dollars in building this brand guide, so we can just copy it. That would be a great advantage. So once it's copied, we have to prompt this chat gpt. I have already prompted it, and it has and I have received this answer. So just copy this, and I have to go back to my Shopify, and once I am here, I have to paste it over here. Once pasted, I have to click on generate theme. So it will take few seconds, and then three themes will be generated. We have to select one, and then we will customize it. Okay, so let's view the demo of the first one. This is the balanced version. Click on it. Okay, so its demo is reload. Okay, if I scroll down, it's nice, but I don't like it. Let's check another one. Yes, this is pretty nice. It has a nice header. We will add a logo over here, and the announcement bar, then the slideshow, and then the product section, a banner, another banner, a rich text. Yes, it is pretty nice, and we will customize it. But let's check the third version, what it has provided. Okay, so this is and also a very good theme. But let's go with this second option. If you like this one, you can choose this one, but for me, I like this one. So simply click on this try theme. Once try theme is clicked, it will add the theme to your theme section. So it will take few seconds, and it will get added. Once it get added, we have to click on this publish theme button, and then publish it to your live website. Okay, so it is added. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to click on this edit theme. Once clicked on it, it will open the Shopify customization settings, which I will brief you in a minute. Okay, so the brief of this customization window is that here we see three parts. Like from here, we will go back to the Shopify admin, and here we will see all this section. At left, are all the sections, and this is an icon for global theme settings. Like from here, we are able to add a logo, colors. We can set the typography like the fonts, animations, and some icons, and all the global settings we are able to manage it over here. But for the sections, we have to click on this button, and then here we are able to manage the sections. This is an app part which you can also install Shopify apps from this. Go to Shopify apps and install it, and it will start showing over here. So right now we do not have any app, so just ignore this part and check this section part. Okay, so at first it says the header section. Once we clicked on it, it will show that this is the header section. This part is the header. If you don't know that which part is this, simply click on this active inspector. Like if I want to know that which part, where from where I have to customize it, simply click on this, and then it will open the customization section of that section. Okay, customization part of that section, sorry. Okay, so if I scroll down, let me click on this part. Once I click on it, it has taken me towards the this section, and then further I am able to customize this section text from here. So this is quite simple if you do not know which section can be customized from which side. So it's pretty easy. So simply I turn it off. You can also take the help from the Sidekick, which is a Shopify latest AI. So it is quite easy. And from this part you are able to switch back to the mobile version. Here you are also able to customize it according to the mobile version of the website. So let me show the desktop version back, and let's start the customization with few simple steps. So at first there is an option for header. Simply click on it, and then we have to click on this logo part here, then click on this theme settings, and here we are able to add our logo. If you do not have your logo, I would suggest to design it in your Gemini. I have used this and design it. It's completely free, you can use it. Okay, so I have added the logo over here. Its size is small. From here you are able to customize or increase its size. Okay, it will take few minutes. Okay, it's get fine. And on the mobile version, let me increase the size on the mobile version as well. Keep it 40 to 41. That would look good, I think. Yes, it is now fine. So simply click the save button, and let's go back to the desktop version. And now click on this section part. Now here we are able to change that this shop our latest arrival text to welcome to our store, or something like an offer, welcoming offer like free shipping on all orders this week. Okay, and here we are able to assign a link over here. Like once this bar is clicked, it will move to the any collection or any part of your website. So let me close it, and let's open this hero section. This is a hero section. Simply by clicking on this button we are able to open this hero section, and further there is a group. This experience heading, the subheading, and the button is in group. We are able to customize the heading from this, the subheading from here, and the button from here. And for the to change an image, simply click on this hero, and from here we are able to change the main image. Simply click on this change button, select from the library, and add any of the image, or you can upload any of your image and add it over here. And if I scroll down, there is an option for the mobile video. Like if you want to show a different image on mobile, simply click on it, and you can upload a different image on mobile. Let me show you for an example. This image I want to show on mobile, so simply select that version. So you see the image has been added, but it's not showing on the desktop version. If I switch back to the mobile version, it starts showing over here. So it's pretty nice. So hit the save button. Okay, so if you want to change the color of this bar, simply click on this announcement, and there is an color scheme assigned to it. Simply click on it, and then click on this edit button. Once edit button is clicked, from here you are able to change the color. You can pick the color, any of the website color, or simply just let me click on it, and then and just select this color. Okay, so it's looking nice. Simply click on it and then hit the save button. So by this we have changed this color of the announcement bar. Similarly, we are able to change this shop now button color. Like we have to click on this section, and then this is the hero image, we have to open it, and here there is a button part, and from here we are able to change its text, its link. And for the color, you have to go to this part. Let me check it. Scroll down. No, we have to go to this parent window, and from here we are able to change its color. Like click on it, and then you have to click on the edit button. Once edit button is clicked, there will be an option to change the color of your buttons. So let me close this, and let's move to the second section, which is featured collection. So this is featured collection, and from here we are able to assign our product. Let me assign my product. Simply click on this replace, and just select this best selling. From here you are able to assign your collections, like best selling for the week, or something like what you want according to your business. sorry, what you want according to your business requirements. So just let me write best selling of the week. Okay, so it's nice. What you can do is you can also generate the text from here. Like simply click on this, make this heading attractive, and it will generate few text. This week's bestseller. So this way you are able to fix your text or anything related to the website completely using an AI. If I scroll down, there is another section which is the hero section, similar to the this one. And from here you are able to change its text or the text heading. You are able to change it from here or generate any text from here according to your business requirement. If I scroll down, there is another section which is pull code. Um, uh, Very good for your brand identity and very good for your if you want to show some information related to your brand. This section is very nice. And from here, you are able to change this text, our shop text, and you can change this button text like learn more, or you can simply hide this. If you do not want to show this button, simply hide this. So the button is hidden, the our shop text is hidden. We see this is the custom section, and there are three groups: group 1, group 2, and group 3. So the if you want to customize the group 1, like you want to change the image of this part, simply click on it and change the image from here. Similarly for the second, and similarly for the third group, which is heading, button, and the background color, you can customize it from here. And here if you want to add any section or block, you can add it from here. Footer, headline, all these settings are easily customizable and manageable. So if you need any guidance, just leave a comment and I will help you out. So if you want to change or assign social media links to your Instagram page, to your YouTube channel, to your TikTok page, X Twitter account, thread, you can simply just delete this and just add the links over here and hit the save button. Okay, so once the home page is customized, what we have to do is we have to customize the product page. Click on this product and then click on this default product. Okay, so this will open up the product page and its settings. And similarly, at left there is an option to customize the product template. Here we are able to customize the product information. We have few options like set its width to full. If I want to set the media position to right, it will show media to the right and it will reduce the gaps. These are the gaps. And from here we are able to change the color scheme. And from here we have to switch off the sticky add to cart. Similarly, if I click on this product media, I have few options like do you want to show the product media in type of grid or carousel? This is in case if you have multiple product images. If you have single product images, it won't take any effect. If I scroll down, it is asking for the aspect ratio. You can set its aspect ratio according to your requirement. So this is pretty easy to customize it according to your requirement. Okay, so once hit set aspect ratio has been set, hit the save button and the aspect ratio has been set. Okay, so now what you have to do is let me move to you to the advanced part of the video, which is adding a custom section or building a website similar to the this one. So this is quite nice website. If you like any part of the section, like if we want to add this section, similar section to our website, simply screenshot this section. Let me just screenshot it. And then what we have to do, we have to move to this website Claude AI. So this is completely free to use in the Sonnet 4.6 extended version. You can use it. Simply screenshot this and then type create a Shopify section exactly similar to this image, pixel perfect. and it should be responsive for the mobile version as well. So just give this simple prompt and hit the enter button. It will take few 1 minute max and generate a complete section with HTML, CSS and complete JavaScript if needed, and it will generate a nice section similar to this one. Once this section has been generated, what we have to do is we have to just copy it and then paste it our on the Shopify website. So it's generating. Okay, so the section has been generated. What we have to do is we have to click on this download button. It will download it to our computer file. Simply click on it and let me open it. Okay, let me just open it with Notepad. Once it's get opened, what I have to do is I have to select all the text, all the code, and then I have to go back to my Shopify admin. Let me go back to the Shopify admin, hit this exit button, and from here we are able to add the code. Make sure we have duplicated the theme because a single line of code might hurt your theme. So I have duplicated it so that our working won't hurt anything. So click on this edit code button. Once edit code button is clicked, what we have to do is we have to click on this section part, and then we have to right click it. Let me just right click it, and we have to click on this new file button, and from here we are able to add a name like custom section. You can write any name, but make sure you have write this dot liquid as an extension. This extension should be similar, like extension should be exactly same, and do not change this. You can change the custom section name. You can change this part, but you are not able to change this part. This is compulsory. So hit the save button. Once it's saved, our empty file has been added. Simply just paste the content over here and hit the save button. Okay, so if it's gives some error like file save invalid schema setting, simply copy this and go back to the cloud and tell him that give me the correct section, do not give me any errors, and simply paste it over here. It will take few minute and will provide you a new section. So a new section has been provided. Simply download it, and then we have to open it to from in notepad again. Okay, here is this version. Let me open this. Okay, so this version has been opened. Copy it, go back to the Shopify admin, select all, paste the content over it, and hit the save buttons. Okay, so now it's get saved. Now what we have to do is we have to go back to this version, and then we have to click on this edit theme. Once we are on edit theme, here there is an option to add custom section that we have recently added. Simply click on this, and then here is the section handmade with love. Once I added this section, it has added over here. So here we are able to add the images here, the background image, the foreground image, the this website like this. It has added the GIF images. You can generate GIF images online using any website. So do you see it's a pretty same website, same website section that we have built it using Cloud. And similarly, this is how all the jewelry niche websites have been built using AI. And I have used all the free tools. If you are looking for any help related to Shopify store, you are welcome. Leave a comment below and I will help you out how you are able to customize Shopify stores using AI for free. And if you want to reach me out, just email me or reach me out on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.